Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike back at my favorite place on earth. This right here is Copart, friendliest staff I have ever met here. I mean, they just smile and wave, and assistant manager just waves me on through. They are so friendly here, and I love it because they let me come out and take a look at all kinds of cool cars and trucks. We're gonna start things off with something new, something purple, and something that looks like it should go very fast. Look at that beautiful little girl right there. Absolutely gorgeous. 2023 Dodge Charger GT. And in the purple paint and the hood scoop, you would think she would be race ready. No, this is just one step up from the base model. So with the GT, you get a sport suspension, you get the hood scoop right there, you get a better sound system, and I think that might be all. You don't get a whole lot, but does this car look gorgeous? She is fantastic. The damage, unfortunately, is listed as mechanical. So I don't know, it could mean anything. It could mean suspension, it could mean engine, it could mean transmission. I don't know, anything mechanical. So something is not working as it should, but being a 2023, ow, you just came out and bit me, little Jeep. All right, these tires are almost new. Goodyear, everything's gonna match. This body's perfect. I mean, it really is. They have large stones here, so sometimes I trip. It's not that I'm old, it's just sometimes I trip, okay? I love this purple, and the little yellow right there is nice. Let's see, doesn't say mileage on her just quite yet. Let's just see what's going on. We do have some power inside here. See, it's still kind of a base. Okay, there's no leather. Okay, you just had the fabric seats. There's your nicer entertainment system. Let's just kind of see what's wrong with her. Only 17,000 miles on the odometer right there, and okay. It's listed. Okay, here we go. Here come the error messages. Electronic stability control. Is that all? We're listening to some country, some Kenny Chesney right here on the radio. That tells us a little bit about the driver. It's the ESP. Music is off. We're averaging 17 miles. We got 230 miles left in the tank. We can do our lap timer. Tire pressure is good, all in the 40s. Wow, right there. Okay. So what's the damage? I mean, it's a new car. It still smells new. You're gonna save a ton of money in here. Okay, there's no sunroof, no moonroof or anything like that, but let's just take a look at this little, what I'm guessing is gonna be a V6. Okay, back seat. Okay, no one's ever sat back there, I don't think. Maybe, well, there is maybe a little dust right here. Somebody tried to get in with some dirty shoes. They still have the seatbelts locked there. This is gorgeous. I mean, there is nothing wrong on the outside at all. Here we go. Yep. Okay. 3.6 liter engine. It looks like from the outside it should have, you know, Scat Pack or some huge 8-cylinder engine, but no, this is just your regular old V6. All the fluids are going to be fine. So why someone has accessed this is your little jump point right there. This is perfect. Oh, you want to save some money? This could be it. That sounds great. That really does. Okay, let's see if we have any parts in the trunk. I don't think we're going to have anything in the trunk because all the parts are still on the car. Let's see if we can find the... Is there a trunk release? Here we go. Right there. I'm getting better. I'm starting to remember where all the buttons are in all of these cars. Okay, brand new. No issues at all. Right here. Look at the battery. We still get brake pad and accelerator pedal still in a box. right there. You get a little kit. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, she's perfect. Why are you here? Hi, even a review camera. Wow. Okay, you want to save some money? This could be it. I don't know what the mechanical issue is. The brake light is on. So okay, there's that. She goes into drive. She's not moving anywhere, so the brakes work. Put her back in park. We'll put her just like we found her, right there. Okay, now it says vehicle not in park. She is in park. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe that's the issue, because when she is in park, she doesn't think she's in park. She wants to... Maybe that's it. Maybe there's just something loose underneath the vehicle. I don't know. Anyway, beautiful, perfect on the inside. That's why the brake pedal was on. There's something with the transmission gear selector. So that's it. You got a good code reader. You can figure out exactly what's going on and save yourself a ton of money on a 2023 Charger GT that looks like it would go really, really fast. And look at this, right behind her, another Charger GT in Go Fast Red. This is nice too. This, say just a quick look, just exactly the same, except it's not, because we have a little damage on the other side. Here's the damage. Not excessive, but you will need some hub parts. So a control arm, woo, knuckle, all that kind of good stuff. Rotor, everything. And this is a same year, 2023. Okay, just an example of the dodges you can get out here. Coming up next, 2003 Mercedes E500. So this is the big V8. This is an air suspension. What is the loss type? Unknown. So we don't know about this car, but we have, okay, Century tires over here with a lot of tread. Century tires over here as well with a lot of tread. I guess they did pull her in. Oh, we got this thing that's broken. These always break because people don't know how to put them on and off. You can get them for less than 20 bucks on eBay. Okay, you have another Century tire. So I bet we have matching tires. And the wheels look pretty good too. Yeah, we do. A lot of scratching though. She went through some bushes or something happened here. She kind of got scratched up. But the good thing about this, well, you're gonna have to replace your mirror, is this can, I think most of these can be buffed out. Okay, get some good compound, rubbing compound, and just go to town. Other than that, this is a nice looking little car. Okay, remember the boulders I'm talking about? One just got me. It really did. So this has the bigger engine, the air suspension. Let's see if she's gonna run and drive for us. See if there's any life left in this old girl. 127,000 miles. She a bad little, you know what? She a rebel. Okay. Got a low battery. ESP is not available. Malfunction, electrical consumer switched off. Brake is defective. Oh, you know what? On these cars, you only get so many stops. And then you have to get it reset at the dealer, and it's something that they do. I had to do that with my E320. That's the problem. They do it for free, but you only have like, how many brakes? 120, 100,000 or something like that, which is really weird. And then you got to get the system reset. And there's a little bitty battery up here that kind of deals with that. Hold on. Okay, so here you got your big V8. This is the E500. Okay, so you have an air suspension, which is holding everything up. It seems to be just fine right there. Okay, But under here, you have a little battery. Come on, there it is. Okay, so that is probably dead. There's one in the trunk as well. And then you got to get the brake thing reset. There you go. There it is. It's just really finicky. Okay, so there's your other battery. But the engine itself sounds good. It really does. 127,000 miles for an 03. Now with this car, I think it has the old what is it? It's not the 8-speed. That's when you have to worry about the valve body in the transmission, because you can't just replace it. There's some things that are built in there, and it's much more difficult to do. This has the older transmission, which is fine. Should something go wrong with the valve body, you can buy a new one. You can drop it and replace it. So this is actually a better car, in my opinion, than an 05 or 6. It's just dirty. It needs to get re-dyed right here, okay? But everything works. Even the little headrest thing goes up and down. So this is huge. This would be a great little car to buy. You know it, okay? Anyway, I think I like this one. It's just the brake issue. So tempting. What do you guys think about this? Yeah. All the windows work. Yep. And yep. Oh, Mikey likes this one. And we have a Jiffy Lube recommended oil 126. And we're at 127, so we do have to get the oil replaced. But this is nice. This would be a great little car. And finally, how about another beauty in black? Yeah, 2000 and what is this, 5? This is the Volvo S60 2.5 Turbo. You know, I'm starting to really like Volvos. Is that because I'm getting older or what? I don't know. This is an 07 Lost Type Unknown. Old school Volvo, but not really super old school like the one I have. You got to get your headlights cleaned. Not an issue. As far as damage, I don't see a whole lot. I really don't. What kind of tires do we have on here? This is Michelin Premier. Michelin Premier. Uh-oh. This car was well kept. Keep going, Michelin. Michelin and Michelin. Good sign. Lost Type Unknown. I don't know about. Oh, I like black on black. Look at this. Okay, that's a nice looking interior. Okay, well. What do you guys think about the Volvo S60? Not the S40, and not the top of the line S80, kind of the E-Class of Volvos. It smells pretty good in here, actually. And this seat, oh, wow. Volvo really knows how to put comfort into a seat. I mean, these are nice and comfortable. Look at them. Look at that right there. And it's perfect. This interior, for being an 07, is in perfect shape. Look at this. All of the white and everything on the dials is fine. The wood is fine. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see what's going to happen here. See if she's going to do anything for us. That'll be magnificent. We do have power. Okay. 82,000 miles. That's all. Oh, she sounds good. Loss is unknown. We do have brakes. We do have a transmission that goes in gear. We have this right here. Okay. Tire pressure monitor system. What else? Info. Here we go. Maybe I got to close the door. Let's see here. Information. Trunk lid open. I don't know how you can scroll through this. Oh, here you go. Read. On the end of the stock here, there's a little button that says read. Very low tire pressure. Time for regular maintenance. And that's it. 3 messages. Trunk lid open. Very low tire pressure. Time for regular maintenance. And what's the unknown loss type on this thing? Because this sounds great. I mean, she really does. Radio. 105.3. K-jams. Okay. We have an air conditioner. The AC does not seem to be too cold, but it could be. I mean, it's 65 out here, and I got this set. Let me turn that all the way to low. On. Here we go. Now I can feel it coming in. Okay, see the tag moving up front? Okay. Yeah, we have air conditioning. We do. 82,000 miles. Let's turn this off. Turn everything off. We'll go look at the engine. I'm falling in love with another Volvo. I'm getting parts for a Volvo today as well. And listen how quiet this is. She sounds really good. I mean, this is just kind of a modified version of what I have in my old Volvo. Same color top, same direction, turbo in the back. This is cool. This is really cool. We do have some spider webs right here, but everything looks to be very, very original. This engine mount is holding. Mine is not at home, but this is nice. Okay, you want to join the Volvo world, be a Swede. This could be it for you. This is a beautiful car. Clean the headlights, wash and wax, and she'd look like new inside and out. I mean, look at the interior. That's gorgeous. It's very quiet in here too. I think this is very well insulated. We had 3 really interesting cars this time, okay? We had the purple people eater, the Dodge. We had the black Mercedes E500 with the air suspension that actually works still. And we have this very mysterious Volvo S60 lost type unknown, which I'm guessing maybe the transmission. I don't know. I just don't know that much about these. The power steering kind of works, but I don't know. The inside is perfect. I mean, it's perfect. This is a fun little car. Okay, let me know what you think about these cars. I'm not relying totally on walkarounds, okay? I have lots of other cars at home in the works where I get my hands dirty, so please check that out. I've given up on one car completely. It's going away. I don't know how, but it's going away. I have a Mercedes wagon that I've been working on forever. Thanks for the scar, Mercedes wagon. I have another Mercedes wagon that I am selling, and I have the old Mercedes I'm working on, and who knows what else. It is spring, which means Millie the Midget, my 1975 MG Midget, is coming out and will be hitting the streets of T-Town very, very soon. Maybe we'll make a video on what it's like to drive a car that's literally, it's this big. It's teeny tiny. All right. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you again in another video. Okay. Bye-bye.